I'm ready for a comfort food mashup of two amazing comfort foods, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and French toast. Let's make this. I'm using 8 slices of Texas toast. I'm spreading peanut butter on half those slices. And spread your favorite jam on the other half. Put them together to make a sandwich. Grab a bowl. 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of cream, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together. Prep your griddle. Grab your sandwich and let's dip it in on both sides. And place on your griddle. Couple minutes on each side until golden brown. And top with your desired toppings. Peanut butter and jelly French toast. That's great. And pure comfort. I'll give it an 8.1 out of 10. What's the best kind of music to listen to when you're fishing? Something catchy